G'day and happy Cocktail Fridays. As always, I'm your host Troy, and today we are making a mango martini.
I've got fruity in my hat. Yes, I've got fruit in my hat.
This recipe calls for vodka, triple sec, fresh mango and fresh lime. Shaker, add 60 ml of vodka, 45 ml of triple sec, 45 ml of mango puree, then 45 ml of fresh lime juice. Add ice and shake. Drop some ice into a martini glass. Then decorate the cute little umbrella. And you're done. Tell us what you would do to improve this recipe. See you next time.